and welcome to Look Ahead with Anna. This week there's going to be a spotlight from me on ICCA. So that's the International Congress and Convention Association. And I've just seen some amazing proactive change in the way that they are communicating with their members and with the business events industry. So I wanted to give 3 examples of what I'm seeing them doing because we can learn from those items and actions. The first one is that they have just released a new report. It's called Beyond Borders, and it's celebrating 60 years of association work through the business events industry of moving associations forward. And this report isn't your normal report, reams and reams of writing to read. It's interspersed with interactive videos and some brilliant sound bites with some great information. So my first action item for you would be to go find that report. I've put a link in the comments here, and just learn everything about the way associations are interacting now with destinations, what they're looking for when they host their events, and some great insights for you. And number 2, there is always an international congress that takes place every year for ICCA. This year it's going to be in the United Arab Emirates. It's always in November. And what a brilliant piece of marketing they've done this year. So for the next 7 months, once a month on Wednesdays, they are going to be doing a 9-minute podcast. It's called 971, which is the area telephone code for UAE. And it's going to give you some really small snippets of what you can expect from that convention. What a brilliant way to make engagement with members and delegates right through the event and after. And this is something that is creating community. And we know that Julia Solarius has been talking about this for ages. So good job, ICCA, on putting that into practice. I can't wait to listen to some of those. And finally, there's the ICCA Uni. It's a new initiative that they have launched, and it's really been put in place to be able to bridge the gap between academic institutions and association meetings. And we are seeing more and more, especially with the legacy work that we need to do, that gap is widening, and we need to be getting better as destinations to connect with our post-secondaries, and in Europe I know it's called third level education institutions. So I believe that this is going to be a wonderful initiative. It's something that ICCA is taking forward, and definitely one for you to look at. And again, I've put a link to an article on that in the comments. So well done, ICCA, moving things forward. We can learn from all of these pieces. So the actionable items are: read the report, listen to the podcast, 9 minutes every month for the next 7 months, and also get orientated with what ICCA Uni is all about. And I look forward to seeing you next time with some more business event insights. Thank you.